Hello, I'm Kate Stichina and you are watching InstaForex News. The interest rates in Australia probably were back to the range which some of authority representatives consider as normal. Nevertheless, this should not be taken as a signal that the central bank is doubtful of the necessity of further increase. The Reserve Bank of Australia probably will actively continue to act in the beginning of 2010, forming the policy taking into account the steadily growing economy as well as preparing to confront the inflationary threat, which now is expected in 12–18 months after. The fourth advance in a row of the key interest rate at the first meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia in 2010, which will take place on the 2nd of February, is seemed almost inevitable. However, the very low inflation rate for the fourth quarter in the data which will be published on 27th of January may change these expectations. Nevertheless, in this case, it will delay the inevitability for the Reserve Bank of Australia, which knows about the increasing risk that the economy may exceed the forecast for 2010, which are very positive, and to create the need in the tight monetary policy by the end of the year. The interbank market of 30-day futures takes into account 17% probability of rates increase in February. However, there are still some doubts concerning this fact because the Assistant Governor of the Reserve Bank of Australia, Rick Battellino, stated in December that since the key interest rate achieved the rate of 3.75%, the monetary policy turned back to the normal range. Due to this, some traders and economists come to a conclusion that the Reserve Bank of Australia has enough time and in the beginning of 2010 it will slow down the uprise of the interest rates. Nonetheless, too much importance was attached to these comments. Battellino probably wanted to point to the fact that the situation normalized a little bit, but the work has not been ended yet because in whole the monetary policy is remaining soft. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.